for the new week. You can see we just had we from last week we had a very big selling candle, which shows that there's a lot of selling going on right now on GBUSD. We closed below the moving average, okay, and also below K institutional level of 1.35. We've reached back into that region and we're going to see how price plays out and look for a position on the lower time frames. Now, but before that, break that down on the daily time frame. Now, looking at the daily, we can see that from last week we had a close below the moving average. We tested it and we pushed to the downside. I caught a sell from around here. Okay, I took my profit at 1.35. I didn't know it was going to trade below it, but I took my profit at 1.35 because I wanted to see how price reacts to this region. Okay, before continuing the initial direction. So we've seen that more or less we're below the moving average and we're trading to the downside. So we are still very much bearish now. But looking over here, we can see that there's an area here of 133,750 that price more or less had a lot of bullish move from. So if we do sell from 135, we want to see how price reacts to 133,750. But for now, I'm more or less still looking out to sell, following, okay, how the lower time frame, the structure in lower time frame is currently tr- um, trading. Okay, so we had like a support area here, Fibonacci. We could see price push to the downside, but it's very early right now on Monday. It's about 5 a.m. Okay, on Monday, so I wouldn't recommend taking any positions right now till during the London session by 8 a.m., 9 a.m. So if I do see price playing around 133, 135, okay, this weekly area here around that London session time, I would be looking to short, okay, into 133,750 and then wait to see how price reacts. But overall, I'm looking out to sell on this pair because of a few confluences like the weekly. Okay, the weekly last week closing, as you can see, we had for those who study price action, we have 123 reversal from 137,500. We have the daily trade below the moving average. Okay, below and start and we tested the moving average multiple times, but still pushing to the downside. And of course, the 4-hour structure still making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and are currently at a lower low area. So we'll see how this one plays out, and I will update you guys on this. Have a good trading week, guys.